Hi everyone, thanks for being here. I'm back with another what's in my bag video, and I'm currently staying in Crimson Resort and Spa in Mactan. Thank you for having me. Here's a peek at the room, and I'll leave a timestamp as usual for those who are interested in the room tour. This is the Coach Margot bag, and I carry this as a handbag. I did remove the straps because they are just too long and too thin. It really digs into my shoulder. The bag itself is already quite heavy, and I have so much stuff in here. I have a bit of a berry theme happening with these bag charms. This is just a little cherry crocheted bag charm that I wound around this Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. So the holder, this rubber holder, is really old, and I had to replace the bottle inside because it was getting pretty nasty. So I don't know what brand of hand sanitizer this is. Something made in the Philippines. We have a strawberry crocheted pouch, and it just holds a bunch of tissues inside. I didn't want to put anything too heavy because I didn't want to ruin this little strap, and it did come with this strawberry keychain. So this is a souvenir from Baguio City. Thanks to Eds if you're watching this. I do find this tag pretty annoying. I was going to remove it, but then I thought it's a pretty good place to hang the strawberry pouch, and it's always good to have your tissues easily accessible. So the bag does have a clasp here at the top that I just leave unclasped, and of course I don't leave it open like this if I'm at the mall or somewhere really busy where I might lose sight of my bag. So before I came to Crimson, I just had to drop by an office, and yeah, so no, I'm not going to take this around somewhere that's really busy and somebody can just you know, help themselves to what's in my bag. We have this cute little crochet penguin. Some of you might have seen this if you watched my Puso bag video. So today I'm carrying this Benefit makeup bag that I got in PR quite a few years ago, and because I knew we would be taking photos and videos of food at dinner tonight, I knew I had to bring my portable lights, which are really helpful. So I don't want to blind you guys, but I got here, maybe just okay. So this is a adjustable light that I found at Daiso, and because I am lazy to charge stuff, this is battery operated. So well, it's not great, but it does the job pretty well, and I think I got it for something like 200 pesos at Daiso. And this one is a light that you can clip onto your phone, and it's also battery operated, battery powered, and it has the cool white light, warm yellow, and I don't know what to call this whatever is in between the white and yellow. So also quite helpful if you are shooting content and it's dim. Next, I have my current iPhone case, and I am using my iPhone to film. I get just about all of my phone cases from random shops on Shopee. The pop socket I think I got at the Maze in Ayala. and the phone charm or phone strap is from a little kiosk in Central Block. Here is a peek inside the bag. I've got my Android phone, and this is an Instax printout of a sunset that I experienced in Malapascua a few years ago when I went there with one of my gay besties, and I thought the picture was just really pretty and it complements my phone and case really well. And I just put a little washi tape to make it cuter. Next we have my brown leather wallet from Metro Department Store, and I went into more detail on this in my what's in my bag video with the Le Pliage tote. If you want to see the contents of this wallet, we have a hair clip, key cards for the room. Here is a mirror that the gay besties gave me from their trip earlier this year to Greece and Turkey. So it does have the regular reflection and then on the magnified side. I'm not sure why I'm carrying so many pens. Here we've got a Muji click pen. Just wanted to put a little boba sticker on it for kicks. This is their 0.5 gel knock pen or click pen. Here is a Miniso, another 0.5 gel click pen. And here is a vintage platinum pen. That's actually pretty cool. I thrifted this online. So it's a rollerball. In this pocket, so well, the bag is not perfect, you know. It's really heavy. The shoulder strap was too thin for the weight of the bag and the possible weight of the capacity of things that it could carry, but I do really like that it has all of these compartments. So there's a pocket here at the back, one larger compartment here, a slimmer zip compartment, a second large compartment here, and it has these two little pockets on this side. And I have here my Louis Vuitton card holder, and it does have my initials on it. I really love this. And last but certainly not the least is this makeup bag that I got in Japan Home Center. So it's not very sturdy, but I do like that it has this big window in the front so that I can see everything that's inside. So let's take a look at what's in here. We have this beautiful fragrance by Elizabeth Arden called White Tea. I did get this in PR earlier this year, and it's really lovely fragrance. I wanted something that isn't too heavy because I knew I was coming to the beach and I have a long day also tomorrow for my magazine work. So I wanted something that's fresh and a little bit sophisticated, a little bit elegant, but nothing too heavy or overpowering at all. We have blotting papers, same L'Occitane hand cream that I carried in my previous video. Pack of tissues that's still from my trip to Bangkok, hence the Thai characters on the packaging. Scrunchy. And I don't know why I decided to carry two lip liners. One is the Silky Lasting Lip Pencil by Misha, and the other one is a waterproof lip liner by Flormar. And then I have two eyebrow pencils. Oops. This is by Everbilena All Day Fine Line Brow Liner, and if it looks battered, it's because it is. I do use it quite frequently, and I like that it has a pretty fine tip for the pencil. Then for my broader option, I have this Designing Eyebrow Pencil in shade 5. Next we have this Careline Lip Balm. It says it's formulated in Korea. And because I must always have at least one tinted lip balm in my bag, most of the time I probably have like 3. As I was saying, with the tinted lip balms, this one is by the Korean brand The Same, Essential Tint Lip Balm. We have this very compact foldable comb that I got from my mom. A Chanel Rouge Coco Stilo that is, yes, unfortunately already discontinued. So some people might find it gross that I keep my lip products for so long, but honestly, if they don't go off, if they don't smell bad, or they don't seem disgusting from the tube, and this doesn't, I am going to keep using it. And I think I was just saving this for so long because I don't always get PR from Chanel Beauty. So this is a beautiful nude shade that pairs really well with either of the lip liners that I brought with me. This might be discontinued by Chanel, but you can get a very similar product from Hourglass. I think it's called their Phantom Volumizing Glossy Balm. So it's the same concept. It's a pigmented lip balm that comes in a slim format. So you can try that instead, since I'm sorry, this one is discontinued. Next I have this eyeshadow stick by Everbilena. Next we have this teeny tiny 7.5 ml tube of Le Professional by Benefit. I have a creamy concealer that I got as a sample from Korea. And lastly, in this half clear pouch is the Tarte Juicy Blush in Coconut that I also carried in my previous video with my YSL bag. And that is the entire mess that I carried in my purse. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Here's a look at the room before I hop into bed and mess up the sheets. On the bedside table, there's my current read and my planner and my work notebook. We have the mini bar over there, double doors to the bathroom, and here's the desk. Mean Girls, I think the newer version, yeah, is on HBO at the moment. Really cool looking chair. And how nice that they bothered to leave me a welcome note. Thank you so much for this and for the entire stay. Here's a really nice tote bag. And they even have a stylish hat that has the Crimson logo on it. Here's the closet. My dress for tomorrow, bathrobes, an extra pillow, ironing board, and they provide 2 pairs of flip-flops. See? It does have the crimson logo on them. The minibar area with an espresso machine and instructions, since not all of us, I certainly don't, have an espresso machine at home. And entering the bathroom, it is huge. Another look at the room.